everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Clean Eating Kitchen and I'm Carrie, and this is where I share easy, gluten-free and dairy-free recipes. So today's recipe is how to cook frozen vegetables and serve them with a delicious creamy peanut sauce. And of course, if you have a peanut allergy, you can always substitute almond butter or sunflower seed butter for the peanut butter. But I'm a little biased. I love peanut butter, and so I could pretty much put it on anything and think it tastes delicious. So I think you're really gonna like this dish. It's incredibly easy to make and kids will eat it too. You can serve it as an easy side dish to go with your favorite cooked protein, or if you wanna make it a full plant-based meal, you could serve it over cooked rice, would be really great. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to make it. So the first step of this recipe is to grab your frozen vegetables. And I like to use a vegetable mix combined with butternut squash. It's just a really great combo, but of course you can use whatever you have on hand. And next we're going to grab a fairly large skillet that has a lid and add a half a cup of filtered water and let the water come up to a simmer. I like to put the lid on to help it get hotter faster. And once the water is simmering, then you can add your vegetables to the pan. And I always use a spatula to help spread them out evenly, and you'll end up putting a lid on the pan and cooking the vegetables for 5 minutes on medium heat. And this recipe is just really great for when you need to cook out of your freezer, like a lot of us are doing during this pandemic. And I also wanted to tell you that the full recipe is on my website, and I've linked it in the description below. So after about 5 minutes, you can remove the lid, you can give the veggies a stir, and then you can actually turn off the heat while you make your peanut sauce. And making the sauce takes about an additional 5 minutes, during which time the vegetables will continue to soften and absorb some of that water. So to make this sauce, you'll combine a half a cup of peanut butter. You can also use almond butter, and you can use creamy or crunchy, whichever you prefer. And just put this peanut sauce into a mixing bowl or a measuring cup. And next you're going to add 2 tablespoons of a rice wine vinegar. If you don't have rice wine, you can just use any regular kind of vinegar. Then 2 teaspoons of coconut aminos and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. And then you'll need to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to help thin the sauce and get it to the right consistency. And I like to use a whisk and just combine it all together. It doesn't take too much effort, and you get this nice creamy sauce. And as I mentioned, you can serve the vegetables over cooked white rice or brown rice, whatever you have on hand. And for my favorite way to cook white rice, I'll link to my Instant Pot basmati rice video. And then you just spoon the peanut sauce over the vegetables and serve. And you can store any leftovers for up to 5 days in the fridge. So I hope that you liked this video. If you did, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to my channel, because that is a great way to let me know that you want to keep seeing more videos like this one. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.